This video provides a case digest of Aquino versus People, GR number 259094, decided by the Supreme Court en banc on January 28, 2025, with Associate Justice Japar B. Dima Ampao as the ponente. We will begin with Part 1, the case overview, which covers the factual background, the initial charges filed against the accused, and the proposal for plea bargaining. The accused faced two criminal cases. In Criminal Case No. 2019-26185, the charge was for the illegal sale of dangerous drugs. In Criminal Case No. 2019-26186, the charge was for illegal possession of dangerous drugs. In both instances, the initial plea was not guilty. The accused moved for a plea bargain, proposing to plead guilty to 2 counts of illegal possession of drug paraphernalia under Section 12. The prosecution consented to the Section 11 plea bargain, but objected to the Section 5 plea bargain, citing Department of Justice Circular No. 027. In 2019, the accused was charged and moved for a plea bargain. The RTC overruled the prosecution's objection and approved the plea. Later, the Court of Appeals reversed this, but in 2025, the Supreme Court en banc reversed the CA, reinstated the RTC decision, and refined waiver rules. Part 2 of this video covers the Supreme Court doctrines, focusing on judicial rulemaking primacy, Department of Justice guidelines, and the waiver rule. Under Article 8, Section 5(5) of the Constitution, the Supreme Court has the exclusive power to promulgate rules of practice and procedure. Administrative circulars from the executive branch cannot override the judicial plea bargaining framework established in AM No. the 18th of March 16-SC. Key principles include judicial supremacy, where Supreme Court frameworks prevail, the authority of trial courts to overrule prosecution objections based on conflicting DOJ guidelines, and the rule on waiver, where unraised grounds are deemed permanently waived. Regarding the waiver rule, the prosecution must explicitly raise all valid grounds during trial. Mere reliance on DOJ circulars without evidence of disqualification results in a waiver of objections. Furthermore, appellate courts will not automatically remand cases if the prosecution failed to raise grounds initially. The Supreme Court refined the Monteiro Doctrine. While cases were previously routinely remanded to trial courts to determine qualifications or receive evidence, remand is now unnecessary if the prosecution failed to prove disqualifying grounds at the trial level. The original conviction is directly reinstated. This table compares the frameworks. While DOJ guidelines prohibited certain plea bargains and required strict prosecution consent, the Aquino versus People ruling establishes that the Supreme Court framework prevails. Judges may overrule objections, and unraised objections are deemed waived. In the final judgment, the Supreme Court reinstated the conviction of the accused for 2 counts of violation of Section 12 of RA No. 9165. The penalty imposed is imprisonment from 6 months and 1 day to 4 years per count, plus a 10,000 peso fine with a mandatory drug dependency assessment. The images used in this video were sourced from the following locations: